Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to talk about the Wildman Athletica Bells of Steel edition of the competition adjustable kettlebell, specifically the micro plates, which add more functionality to the kettlebell. With this kettlebell, we have added two more plates to the bell itself. One is a half K or 1.1 pounds. The other is a 1K plate or 2.2 pounds. The previous editions of the competition adjustable kettlebell replaced 19 weights, 12, skip 13, 14, all the way up to 30, skip 31, have 32, 19 total weights. With the addition of this 1K plate, we add in the missing 13K kettlebell and the 31K kettlebell, which are essential for people starting or very advanced in their training. We also added in the half K plate. This adds 20 more steps into the evolution of the weight that you have. That takes us from 12 to 32 in half K jumps or 1.1 pound jumps. That means 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14, 14.5, all the way up 30, 30.5, 31, 31.5, and 32. What this means for the athlete is that everybody now has access to a weight that they can use that is appropriate to them. These small weights turn kettlebelling into the equivalent of Olympic lifting, where you can micro load a barbell. The whole point of Olympic lifting and why it works so well as strength training for all sports is because you can micro load a bell, and that allows you to do your math for your programs very specifically so that people can guarantee that athletes get stronger. With the addition of these two small plates, we now can guarantee the same thing with kettlebell lifting. With either one or two kettlebells, we can expand from just the basic Olympic lifts to all of the alternating lifts, to the tempo lifts, to the double long cycle lifts, and we can turn our endurance kettlebell lifting and work on those micro loads so that everybody in the world can ensure success. We're taking what made barbell the best way to get strong, and we're now putting it into kettlebells so that we can get an even better result in an even shorter period of time. Your kettlebell programs should be progressive multi-year programs. The more weights you have, the more times you run a program, the better you get neurologically at the movements. The smaller the jump in weight, the more you can ensure the outcome. And we can take those basic human movement patterns and we can ensure success through the micro loading of the bell.